How to tell if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So, the first step is by opening your Snapchat, and then there are actually two ways in knowing if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So, the first one is by searching their name. To do that, you just simply go to this person icon found on the upper right of the screen and make sure to search their name. If you cannot search their name or see their profile, then that means that he or she blocked you on Snapchat. The second method is by looking at your previous messages. So, this will only work if you have messaged that person. So, by clicking on this message icon found on the lower left of the screen, you may not be able to see their message right here. So again, this will only work if you and that user has a message history. So you may not see their message right here, and then that's it. That's how you can tell if someone blocked you on Snapchat.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.